Saturday the 8th of November. Jez is just away. The kitchen's now finished. It's looking great. Oh, take yous in. Are you ready? Da-da-da. Look at this. Still got the cooker hood to put in. Lovely. Sink. How is it? Put this for a cutler's drawer. We've got space, this gap things to fill there to come across. Watch the drawers. There's a silent type. The doors as well, the dinner bang. Good quality, fantastic, eh? Cooker hood up there. There's the joiner there.
Carpenter.
Oh, beg your pardon again. Keep getting mixed up. We've got to get Jez to, he's measured up in there. Got to use the same units. House in it, and we've got to get the boiler and the washing machine, and we've got to get an integrated fridge freezer, the same as the doors, to keep it in keeping. We've got to do this and make it makeshifty now. Take you through and see if there's, see if we can pick up some light. It's the boiler and the lights and that for the electrician. If you can get that done this week. That's a light in there for the dining room. We've just got to position all the lights now, put them out for the electrician. Your room, Liam's room. The weight room's just to be finished. We've put in the special flooring. And there's your lights getting ready to get put up in here. They've taken the tiles right out the front step. In here, you might see a better lighting in here. Too dark in there. But the ensuite, we should get a good light in our ensuite, give you an idea. That's all being done. And that line right down there, that's for the weight, for the water, for the... So the water runs right in for the drain. And that's where the water tank's got to go into there. We've got to put a door on there, €450. We're not going to bother. We'll put something else on. There's Marco. Kitchen lights.
No, just the block here.
All right.
Patient lights.
Have a good look through here. You be shattered, Mark.
Yeah, but
Could you change? Look at this. Look what we're going through.
kind of see that bit and then it's just see the
That's not the best colour.
white
What colours do you like?
or the blue or the green or the pink or the yellow.
No. Don't like that.
That is nice.
That's probably quite nice.
What about Christmas lights?
Oh, we have, there we go, we've got disco lights. Disco cave. Ah, that's nice. Put it onto that. That's nice. Stop it at that.
I can't stop that.
Alright. Very good. You strop it to the
That's
clip.
it.
Ah, that's the colour. I think that's nice, eh? Oh, it keeps changing. You strop it.
I've got it on that then.
Alright, switch it off because I'm still videoing.
What colour?
I think that. The one before. That.
White.
Yeah, white. Very nice, eh?
Okay.
Okay. We've just got to go back and get a wee shower. Bye.